Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes solution for recycle bin is corrupted in Windows 7, 8, and 10. First method is used for command prompt. Type CMD in search bar, run as administrator. Road /s/q $/ recycle.bin. Second method is, type folder options in search bar. Click View tab. Click Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Click Apply, OK. Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive. Delete $recycle.bin folder. Refresh C drive, recycle bin is automatically created. Go to folder option. Change to default. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.